Good morning students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain exercise 1.3 third Roman. Yesterday I gave the homework second one. So today I will start the third Roman. What is given the third Roman is write the following rationals in decimal form using theorem 1.2. First one, 13 by 25. Already this model is completed. Once I look at the board, 13 by 25 can recognize 5 into 5, that is 5 square. Okay. In the denominator, we can write it is in the form of a power n into 2 power n into 5 power m form. If you write like this, it can be converted the rationals in decimal form. So 5 square. Both numerator and denominator multiply with 2 square by 2 square. If what the power is there, you take the same power. Denominator is 5, 2 only. Take 5 and 2 only. So 13 into 2 square 4 by 5 square into 2 square. Already you know a power m into b power m equals to ab whole power m, a into b whole power m. So 5 into 2 whole square. 13 4 jar 52 by 5 into 2 10, 10 square means 100. In the denominator 2 zeros is there, so we'll take after 2 digits 0.52. That is the decimal form of 13 by 25. And the second one is, what is the second one is given? 15 by 16. 15 by 16. So here 0.52. It is end with after some digits, only 2 digits. So it is a terminating decimal also. Terminating decimal. And 15 by 16. 15 by 16 can written as 2 to the power of 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 to the power of 4. Another one is 5. 5 power something. It is, what is the highest power of 2? 4. So multiply both numerator and denominator with 5 power 4 by 5 power 4. Okay. So 15 into 5 power 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. 125 5 is 625. 625 by 2 into 5 whole power 4. Okay. Now 15 table. 15 5 is 75. 7. 15 2 is 30 plus 7. 37. 3. 15 6 are 90. 90 plus 3. 93. 9375 by 2 into 5. 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means 10,000. 4 zeros. Power is 4. You write the 4 zeros. So where the decimal point take before 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Because here denominator is 4 zeros are there. So 0.9375. It is also ending with some decimals. So it is also a terminating decimal. What is the third one? Next third one. 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. Here the denominator is given 2 power m into 5 power n something like this. Here some number is given. we can change the 2 power m or 5 power n form, but here he given already 2 cube into 5 square, 2 power n into 5 power m form is given. So 23 by, what is the highest power here? 3, but here is only 2 power, so need 1 power. So 2 cube into 5 square, both numerator and denominator 5 power 1 by 5 power 1. So now 2 plus 1, 3. So same powers. 23 into 5 by 2 into 5 whole cube. Highest power is 3. So whole cube. 23 5 sir. 1 1 5. 5 3 is 15 1. 5 2 is 10 plus 1 11. 15 1 15. By 2 into 5 10. 10 cube 1000. So here denominator is 3 zeros. So you take the decimal point is before 3 digits. 1 2 3 point. So 0.115. It is also a terminating decimal. And what is fourth one is given? 7218. 7218 by 3 square into 5 square. Okay. Here it is in the denominator only 2 power n or 5 power m form is there. Then the number can be converted into decimal form. Okay. And terminating decimal form. But here 3 is there. So it is a non-terminating decimal. But here, once you look at the board, 7218 by 3 square, 9 into 5 square. This can be cancelled in timetable. 9 1 times. 9 how many times? 9 8 is 72. 0. 9 2 is 18. 8 not 2. 8 not 2 by 5 square only. Left only 5 square. Now you multiply square. So both numerator and denominator with multiply with 2 square. Okay. 8 not 2 into 2 square 4 by 2 into 5 whole square. Okay. 4 2 jar 8, 4 0 jar 0, 4 8 jar 32 by 2 into 5 10, 10 square 100. So in the denominator 2 zeros are there. So you will take the decimal point is before 2 digits 1 2. So 32.08. That is the next. It is also a terminating decimal. Here 3 square 9. 9 is cancelled to both numerator and denominator. That's why it is a terminating. Otherwise it is a non-terminating. Next, what is the fifth one? 143 by 110. 143 by 110. Here also 143 by, this can be written as 2 into 5 into 11. 2 5 are 10, 10 11 are 110. Here also 11 is an extra number. So if you take 11 1 times, 11 1 times 11, 3 remainder 3 3 33, 13 times. So 13 by 2 into 5. 13 by 2 5 sir, 10. So 1 0 is the denominator. That's why 1.3. It is also a terminating decimal. This is the third Roman. Okay. Next, fourth one. The decimal form of some real numbers are given below. In each case, decide whether the number is rational or not. If it is rational and expressed in form P by Q, what can you say about the prime factor of Q? First one, 43.123456789. Okay, 43.123456788 is given. It is ending with after some digits. So it is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Every terminating decimal and non-terminating repeating decimal can be converted into P by Q form. So it is a rational number because it is a terminating decimal. So 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by how many digits after the point, decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. So you will take 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. So the decimal form of some real numbers are given below. This is in case decimal whether the number is rational or not. It is a rational or not? Yes, it is a rational number because it is in the form of P by Q. And expressed in the form of P by Q because it is a terminating decimal. So it is a rational number. So now it is in the expressed in the form of P by Q. Okay, it is a P by Q. What can you say about the prime factor of Q? This can be, how can write this one? Okay, it is in the form of Q equals to, it is in the form of P by Q. Okay, Q equals to 1 lakh, 1, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 power 9. 10 power 9 can written as 2 into 5 whole power 9. So 2 power 9 into 5 power 9. What can you say about the prime factors of Q? Q means in the denominator what is given. So Q is in 100 crores. 100 crores can written as 10 power 9. 10 power 9. 2 into 5 whole power 9. 2 power 9 into 5 power 9. This is the first sum. And what is the second one is given? Second one. 0.120, 1200, and so on. Okay, this decimal, it is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. It cannot be end, so it is a non-terminating decimal. First of all, it is a non-terminating decimal. And if any number is repeating here 120 repeat here 1200, here 12,000, here 1,000, 1,20,000. So no number is repeating here. So it is a non-repeating. No number is repeating. So non-terminating, non-repeating number cannot be written in the form of P by Q. So it is not a rational number. So it is not a rational number. Now third one. 43.123456789. Here bar is given. So bar is given means it is a non-terminating. It cannot be end. This number is repeating again and again. And non-repeating, repeating decimal. This number is repeating. It cannot be end. So it is a non-terminating, repeating decimal. So every terminating decimal and non-terminating repeating decimal can be converted into rational numbers or P by Q form. So this is a rational number. How to convert the rational numbers? Means here in which number is bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the period. This is called a period. How many numbers? 9 numbers. 9 is called periodicity. 9 is called periodicity. How many digits the bar is there? So 9 digits. So 9 is called periodicity. So x equals to 43.123456789. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Multiply with both sides. 10 power 9. Okay. X into 10 power 9 equals to 43.123456789. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on into 10 power 9. Multiplied both sides. So 10 power 9x equals to, if you multiply 10 power 9, the point is moved to 9 digits. So 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Point. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Already you know in the 8th class and 9th class you learned how to convert the decimal into rational numbers. So this is in this one subtraction, minus x equals to 43.123456789 and so on. Subtraction both. 10 power 9 x minus x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. x equals to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So point after point there is no value 0. 9 minus 3 6. 8 minus 4 4. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 3 4. X equals to, multiply this number is x is multiplied this number, so transfer to that side, it is division. 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, sorry 4 6, the last one is 4 6 by 9 9 9 9 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is P by Q form. Okay. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will discuss about example 7. Thank you.